In this video, I am going to show you 3 DIY amazing tips and tricks. An important tool for using woodcutting is a chainsaw. Due to its efficiency, time-saving, precision and control can be made from bicycle chain. Sharpening a drill bit tip is always as difficult due to its handling. Here I am going to show you how to make a homemade chuck or vise for drill bit sharpening from a simple nut bolt. Place the drill bit securely in the chuck or in a vise firmly. Make sure it is held firmly in place to prevent any movement while sharpening as shown. A technique temporarily used to reduce or squeeze pipe diameter is known as pipe squeezing or pipe crimping. In this part 1 I'm going to show you how to make a DIY pipe squeezing plier from a round pipe, stud, and sheet metal. This instrument can deform round pipes by applying mechanical pressure.